All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Wolf Pack. We're gonna be fishing this little bitty stream right here today and see if we can't catch some small fish, maybe some bass. Fishing this little beaver tail, well, not really beaver tail, more of a crawl. Weightless Texas rig, just kind of jiggling it through the water, and especially right here in the ripples, it's really good. Underneath this, the water's kind of deep and the big bass like to hang out there. Just missed a nice one. Wish I could have got that on camera, but you know. Keep on, maybe we'll get a fish here in just a minute. All right. Today's adventure with Wolfthorn Outdoors, we are microfishing this really small creek. I've seen a lot of fish in here, but I've not got any, not got anything to bite yet. I'm gonna keep trying. Maybe here in a minute we'll get a couple of fish on and turn it into a really good day. Oh. There we go. Oh, missed him. If y'all could just do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like these kind of videos. If you don't like this particular video, get in those comments and let me know what kind of videos it is you would like to see me doing out here on this channel. Oh, rock. Well, I'm hung up in something good now. Whew. Guys, we almost went for a swim on that one. Well, I'm gonna try this spot just a couple of more casts, and then we'll move on down a little bit further down this stream and see what we can get into. The problem with fishing these ultra clear small creeks like this is that most oftentimes the fish know you're there before you know you're there. So you got to make really long casts, hit the trees and everything else, and hope you don't scare all the fish away before you get somewhere close enough to catch them. We've moved on about 100 yards from where we just were. Damn. And we'll continue fishing. Hopefully we'll get us something here in just a minute and make this whole video worthwhile. Worth your watch, your thumbs up, and worth a subscription, hopefully. I wanted to go a little further back in that hole than I did, but anyway, I don't think there's any fish there. Doesn't look like it, but as I said earlier, those fish knew I was here before I did. So we're just gonna fish and see if we can't catch something. Well, I broke my weightless Texas rig off, so now I'm going to flip over to a Bitsy bug. Almost the same color. We're going to see if we can get these fish to strike on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops around. Take our tag in, go back through the big loop where our finger is. Pull the line tight and get it wet. Cinch it down. Since the fish seem to like crawls so much, I'm gonna put this little crawl trailer on there. Honestly, I can't even remember what brand this crawl trailer is. We're gonna run it all the way up on the jig like that, and that's what we're gonna start throwing. GoPro, stop recording. Don't know if you can see him, but right there against that far bank, right, whoops, too much. Fishing a little bit further down the creek, found some real nice looking still water. We're just throwing this little bitsy bug and crawl around, seeing if we can't condense Mr. Largemouth to bite. My retrieve is really erratic. I want to keep the bait moving so it doesn't get hung up in the bottom in some of these rocks we've got down here. It gets hung up in those. I gotta break my line off, and I'm really not looking forward to doing that. Another thing these rocks feel like is a fish strike. At the same time, wiggling your bait the way I am, your rod feels like it's got a fish on there constantly. So we're just gonna keep moving, sight fishing. There's a tree hanging over the edge of the water down here a little bit further. That's the one we're really wanting to fish, because I've lost a couple of really nice bass there this week. And I just want to see if maybe I can convince one to bite when I've got good line on my rod. Not quite what I meant to do, but hey, it works. Just got to be real careful fishing these ultralight lures, because you'll end up in the trees really quick. Of course, the big fish like the trees too, so you got to be sure you fish around them carefully. I'm gonna say that was a rock I just hit. That way I don't feel so bad that I missed a fish. Oh, looky there. Oh man, lost him. Nice little grass bass. So much fun to catch. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, there he is. That's a good one. For a creek this size, that's an amazing fish. Oh yeah, look how fat he is. Ooh. Nice little fish, 2-pounder, smooth tongue, definitely a largemouth. Oh, Eddie's Junior. Again, still using the bitsy bug and half a crawl now. That doesn't deserve a like and a share. I don't know what does, folks. Let's get this channel up there a little bit. Ooh, almost fell in the water again. Almost to the end of the creek where it turns into the lake. So just a little bit more fishing right here, and then we'll have to change our techniques and see if we can't get something bigger on the line. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, that one came out of nowhere and hit it. Oh, stay down, stay down. Good fish, good fish. Get him right up here on the rocks. We'll squat down and get a good look at that fish. Always check in their mouth before you go to lip them. Make sure they haven't been eating any snakes. The last thing you want to do while you're fishing is get bit by a snake. Another nice little pound fish. Got an ink mark on his back, it looks like, of some sort. All right, here you go. Match the hatch, people. Best thing you can do. The bottom of the water's green. A little green crawl bug. Gets them all the time. Ooh, thought I had another one right there. I don't quite think I got the camera on in time to catch that last fish waking on the bait before he ate it, but hopefully I did. Oh, there he goes. Get it. Get it. No, he's not going to eat it. But those little guys may. Not quite where we wanted to be, but alright. Move on down the creek a little bit further and just fish as we go. Let's see if we can get some of these big boys to bite. Oh, not a bad skip job if I'd been trying to skip, but I guess that's what happens when you kind of fall while you cast. Yeah, y'all keep it up. You've only got till November. GoPro, stop recording. I think I lost him. Dadgummit. GoPro, stop recording. There he is. Got him. Oh, nice fish. Nice jump. Nice jump. Little bitty guy. Little bitty fish, but he is active. Oh, Eddie's Junior. Ah, there we go. Got him in. Another one on the crawl bug. It's one thing I hate about Bitsy bug is how small it is. But again, that smaller bug is why these little guys like this are eating it. Let's get him back in here where he goes. Have fun, little guy. It's very important to always release the fish as quick as you can if you're going to catch and release. Definitely don't want them getting too stressed out, especially this time of year. It's June, early June. It's nice and hot out. I'm covered in a layer of sweat and mosquitoes like crazy, but the fish are biting, so I'm out here catching. Play it, pull it through the water nice and slow, make it jump or swim a little bit. See if you can entice those big boys to bite. Throw it right up against the edge of grass. Pull it through, twitch it. Oh, something hit it. Probably fishing this way too fast for a jig, but at the same time, I like catching these big guys on the move, and fast baits seem to be what they're wanting today. I'm gonna pitch it right over here on the back side of this rock. See if there's anything over there. You never know. All right, nothing there. We're gonna step up here on the rock. Oof, if we don't fall. See if we can't find something in here. Somewhere else. Man, I wish I'd known it looked like this over here. That was another one. I missed him. And that's 100% of the fish you don't set the hook in. That's why I keep setting the hook, even if I've not got a fish on there for sure. I'm still gonna try to set that hook just so I don't miss him. Oh. If it's raining, I don't think a topwater bite's gonna be my best option, but they definitely are liking this bait near the surface. So like that one right there. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better fish, I think. Oh, look at him dig, look at him dig. All right. Hey, whoa, at ease. Oh. Yet again, little crawl bug strikes. He got my last claw on it, so I'm gonna turn him loose. Take my crawl off. Dispose of it properly. The last thing you want to do is litter. Shit. Oh no, no, no. Dropped my other pole in the water. It's no good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for today's adventure. Again, this is Wolfthorn. Well, thank you for joining Wolfthorn Outdoors. Hit that like and subscribe. Let's see how many subscribers we can get by the end of the year. Have a good evening.